Hi guys, in this video I'm quickly going to show you a faster method of making lotion. I was testing this out to see if it worked. It's my first time doing it, and yeah, so this is a bit of a trial. Let's see how it goes. You don't need so many pots and pans when you're using this method as well, so there's less cleanup to do and stuff like that. So if you're interested, stay tuned. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, so as you know, normally when I'm making lotion I do create an oil face and then I create a water face. So the oil face usually has any butters, emulsifying wax, liquid oils, all that good stuff. I'm a little bit under the weather guys. And then for the water face, it usually has my glycerin and my water, or if I'm using honey or any kind of humectant, that all goes into the water part. So here the lotion I'm making is my milk and honey lotion. I do have a recipe on the channel showing you this. I'll link it in the description box for anyone that's interested. So the difference in this method is, instead of doing two separate parts where I do my oil face and my water face, I'm gonna combine it all together from the beginning and measure it all in the one pot instead of using two separate pots. So here I'm just measuring out my water, and then I'm gonna add in my honey as well. Basically, once I added this together, I just put it in the microwave and then I warmed it up. So what I found was, usually when I separate it and I have my oil face and my water face, it dissolves quickly. So after about 3 minutes or maybe 4 minutes depending on the quantity, all my oils and butters would have melted. But as you can see here, I had taken it out of the microwave 3 or so minutes later, and you can still see all the emulsifying wax in there. It still hasn't melted. I popped it back in again, I think for another 3 or 4 minutes, and as you can see, it still hasn't dissolved. So obviously the water is cold, so it really reduces the temperature of everything else, so it makes it take a little longer to dissolve. So even though this is an easier method in the sense that you're only needing one pot, you are going to have to warm it up for a longer period of time in order to get everything completely dissolved so you can stick blend it together. All in all, I left it in there for about 15 minutes in order to have everything completely dissolved. And yeah, this was for my personal use, so I just made it in the microwave. As you can see, it emulsified perfectly. There was no separation or anything like that. The lotion turned out beautiful. I would just say this just takes a little longer because I had it in the microwave for 15 minutes to melt it up completely, and because of that, when I was waiting for the cooling phase to happen as well, it took a little longer than it normally would. But yeah, let me know if you guys have tried this method or you will try, because you know, you don't have to wash too many dishes after. Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not following me on my Instagram, make sure you do at LusciousSkin&Hair. I do giveaways on there every now and again, and regular updates are on there as well. And you can further support me by subscribing to my mailing list at www.LusciousSkin&Hair.com, and you can also further support me by shopping on my website. Thank you so much for watching guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next one. Take care.